Industrial success starts with innovation and precision. Techno Source engineers the future with advanced industrial solutions, specializing in electrical automation and controls, instrumentation, embedded systems, IoT training systems and simulators, machine manufacturing, and reverse engineering. Our expertise begins with foundational electrical systems. We provide comprehensive services in electrical low-voltage systems, panel assembly and installations, cable tray installations, cable laying, and seamless industrial electrical solutions. Our skilled engineers and technicians ensure every connection is secure, every system is robust, and your facility operates with unwavering reliability and safety. At the core of modern industry is intelligent control systems. Techno Source offers advanced automation and control solutions, including sophisticated PLC and HMI, VFD and servo control systems, SCADA, and data visualization systems. We design and implement systems that optimize your processes, enhance efficiency, and give you complete command over your operations, turning complex challenges into streamlined, automated success. Instrumentation is the backbone of the process industry, where accuracy is critical. We provide precise industrial instrumentation services from flow level temperature to pressure covering configuration, installation, and maintenance to ensure reliable monitoring and control of your processes. We also build the brains behind the brawn. Our team develops reliable embedded systems and industrial controllers designed for peak performance and durability. These custom solutions are engineered to withstand demanding industrial environments, providing the intelligent processing power necessary for complex machinery and automated systems to function flawlessly. Welcome to the future of connectivity. Techno Source is at the forefront of the industrial Internet of Things. We create smart IoT solutions that enable real-time monitoring, data analytics, and remote management of your assets. By connecting your factory floor to the cloud, we unlock new levels of insight and operational excellence, creating truly smart factories. Leveraging AI and data analytics to enhance industrial automation, predictive maintenance, and energy management. Our AI-driven models are used for real-time monitoring, anomaly detection, and optimization of process parameters, enabling improved efficiency, reduced downtime, and data-driven decision-making across manufacturing and utility environments. Techno Source provides customized machine and tester manufacturing services, supporting clients from problem identification and concept development through design, manufacturing, assembly, installation, and after-sales support. The company serves the automotive, plastic pipe, and general engineering industries. The machines are equipped with advanced software for data visualization, logging, historical tracking, graphical representation, and report generation, enabling clients to enhance production efficiency and product quality. Reverse engineering of legacy and obsolete printed circuit boards, PCBs, and electronic assemblies is performed using detailed circuit analysis, schematic reconstruction, component identification, fabrication, and layout recreation, enabling functional replication, redesign, and modernization for continued system support and reliability. We are dedicated to developing advanced training systems and simulators to train the young students and industrial talent. We had developed a wide range of training system for electrical, analog, and digital electronics, industrial electronics, communication, power electronics, and pneumatics. Maintenance services are provided to industrial clients on an on-call basis or under annual maintenance contracts (AMC), covering preventive maintenance, troubleshooting, breakdown support, and system optimization to ensure reliable and continuous operation. Furthermore, we believe in the power of collaboration by actively bridging the gap between industry and academia. We create a powerful synergy that drives innovation and develops a pipeline of highly skilled professionals. This vital linkage ensures that theoretical knowledge is translated into practical, real-world application. We are your dedicated partners in navigating the complexities of the modern industrial landscape. Techno Source is more than a service provider. We are your partner in industrial innovation. Let us help you build a more efficient, intelligent, and productive future. Contact us www.technosource.pk. Thank you for watching.